guys, I'm back with another video to show you a faux bantu knot. I call it faux because I use a little bit of weave, and we're starting off on blown out or stretched hair. Now I started with a part in the middle of my head going almost in a diagonal direction. It does not really matter as long as you make your parts to meet the other one. It's totally fine. It doesn't have to be perfect. So yeah, it's no real way for me to explain. So clip away that hair from the first section and use your favorite edge control. I'm using 2 edge controls, which I didn't picture, and I'm using the Cream of Nature edge control in black, as well as one from Bella Beauty. I'm gonna take a boar bristle brush and I'm going to smooth that section almost in a just almost like if you are sweeping your edges or slaying your edges more in a curved direction to give that look. And I'm gonna make sure it's smooth, and I had to do this a few times in order to get my natural hair really smooth, but I didn't show how many times I had to do it. But I took a toothbrush and I went right over it, and I elastic band that in place and twisted it away. So you go back, and I'm going to show you again. I take another section, I part that out, I put the edge control around the perimeter of that section that I parted out, and I used small elastic bands, black elastic bands, to put that in place. And you just want to make sure that your sections are really smooth, pull to tighten, and that's it. You don't have to be so aggressive where you're pulling your scalp out, but you want it to be tight enough so that it will be easy for you to smooth your edges and stuff like that, so you don't have to continuously pin and tuck or use too much edge control. So you do that same thing again. I showed you how the back looked, and I smoothed that section, and I did a little swirl, but trust me, my 4C edges do not hold. No edge control and no gel, no matter what I did, as well as I tied down my hair. So I don't know. If you have any suggestions, put it in the description box. So what you should do now, I use a little bit of weave, some kinky Jasmine Collection, I think is the name, hair for my faux knots. And basically you just add it like a braid, and you continue braiding. It does not have to be perfect. You don't even have to use this hair, but I know my hair is even at the end, so I just wanted tapered ends for my knots so that I can tie them around the knot easily. You go down and you just braid and continue to braid until you reach the end of your hair, and then I just twisted straight down because it didn't have to really be neat. So like I said, you just do it in a carefree mode. You just want your hair to not be sticking out and all over the place. So you take that section and you ball that. Basically I fold so the knot can be high, then I bend and I begin to twist around that knot. Very easy. You can do it any way you like. You could braid straight down, you can twist if your hair is smooth enough for that, but mine couldn't do that. And then I take an elastic band with the tapered part and push it underneath, and then secure it with the elastic band over top. Easy. Take some more of that hair, and this was old hair that I found. It doesn't have to be a brand new package of hair. So you just take a little piece. It can be very thin. Keep in mind you only need it for the tapered part. You put it around and basically you begin braiding. You continue braiding like I said, and then you want to get to the end where your hair is, and then you can begin twisting once you reach that part. I'm going to show this part to you again, and then you're going to twist, bend, twist, and wrap. Easy. And then secure with an elastic band. And I may have seemed like I was jumping, but I really had to use the restroom, but I did not want to take a break because blowing out my hair was already long, and I was not into that at all. So yeah, I'm going to show you the end where I'm going to twist that last one. Well, not really, because I forgot one at the back. But this is the last one I'm going to show you, and I'm going to wrap that around. Now, to spruce it up a little bit, all you need is your hair jewelry. And I had some strings, but that would have taken too long, so I just used the little clips, and I'll link it in the description. You can find these at any local beauty supply store. You can use the strings that they're putting in the braids now, and you can braid the string in to make it easier for you. You can use the wire, or you can use the clipped accessories. Very, very easy. Very lightweight. Anyone can do this. You can even do this on your daughter. I mean, this is a lit hairstyle if you're dressing for a 90s party, if you're doing any specific look. Coachella is coming up. You can even use this look for Coachella. You can even use it just on a day-to-day basis if you don't have that type of work environment. But that's the finished look, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.
Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me.